giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me fear.
What you doing, boo-boo? Girl. Go play with your brother. Good boy, good girl. Have some breakfast? Maybe you want some cheese? Okay, we're gonna eat and then we're gonna go somewhere fun. We do fun stuff. We're gonna do fun stuff, Bubs. Good boy. Okay, so I am dressed and ready to go. I gotta take Xavier for a walk. And then I have a few errands I have to run, so I figured I would take you guys along with me. Let's go find him. He was barking at something over here not too long ago, so. Xavier. Who's my handsome boy? You gonna go for a walk? Okay, let me get your leash. Let's get your leash. Are you cute? You're looking kind of cute. You're looking kind of cute. You wanna go for a walk? Are we going somewhere? Are we going for a walk? Okay, you gotta come over here. Okay, right here. No. Okay, sit. Okay, sit. Oh, yes. Good boy. We'll put your leash on. You gotta keep your mouth closed. Sit. Good boy. Just wait. Go put this on. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. You did good job. Good boy. Come on. Xavier, come on. Come. Good boy. Those are lily pads. No, you can't go in there. Can't go swimming. All right, Xavier was such a good boy on his walk, and it is absolutely beautiful out. He did see a bunny at one point though, and I thought my phone was going to smash into the ground. But it's okay, everything worked out good in the end. I went and load the dishwasher real quick because when we go out, I'm gonna grab some stuff to make a Greek pasta salad. Because I have a little bit of leftover chicken and it's refreshing, carb loaded for the gains, so we'll make that once we get back. I just finished doing the dishes, so it is time to go run some errands. I just gotta find my keys. I wanted to bring, let me grab my bottle of water. I wanted to bring Xavier with me, but I have snow tires in the back of the car still. So I can't bring him to run the errands. My poor boy. He looks so impressed. Okay. Let's go to my post box and to get some groceries. So I got everything I need. Just gotta make one more pit stop and then we can go home and cook. Okay, so I got this notification that I had an item at my PO box. So somebody must have ordered something off of my wish list. So we're on our way there right now to go pick it up, and then I'll open it on stream tomorrow. So if you guys haven't ever tuned into one of my streams, I stream on Twitch 5 days a week. I do chatting, cooking, gaming, IRL, and workout streams. Similar to my YouTube content, I suppose, but it's live in real time, so you get to chat with me and stuff. So I'll open up the gift on stream. Hi! Oh, my good boy. It's officially time to start cooking the Greek pasta salad. So I'm gonna get a pot and boil some water for the noodles. A little bit of olive oil to the water so the noodles don't stick, and some salt. Also, I don't know why, but I feel like when you add salt, it makes the water boil quicker. I might be crazy with that, but I swear it's a thing. All right, while the water's boiling, I'm gonna chop up the onions and the green and red peppers. I'm just gonna grab my cutting board and the peppers. I almost forgot the cherry tomatoes as well. Of course, we're gonna put a little bit of cherry tomato in there. I gotta wash the peppers first. I really need to sharpen my knives. That, or I just need a new knife block set. Either way, they're dull. Okay. I got a red and a green one. And you know how you pick a good one? If you squeeze them and they don't wrinkle, they're good. That one tried to escape. Oh, pesky seeds. The pepper just squirted me in the face. Oh, the water's boiling. We can add the noodles. I always buy the Catelli fiber enriched ones because you can't taste it. They taste like normal noodles, but why not get the added benefit of the fiber, added fiber? Who can use that? Okay, and I got a bowl. We'll mix it all together in the bowl, but for now, we'll just move the peppers in here so I have room to chop the onions and the tomatoes. Okay, I'm also gonna take some cherry tomatoes and we'll take a good handful of them and rinse them. We will dump them in the bowl as well with the peppers. We're also gonna loose, roughly chop the red onion as well. And put it in the bowl with everything else. Okay, and we're gonna get some feta cheese to put in here. Oh. That's harder to get open than I thought it was gonna be for some reason. All right, we're in. Let's get a fork. Okay, we're gonna get some feta and we're just gonna crumble it in here. You can never have too much cheese. If anybody tells you different, you should question your friendship with them. Just kidding. All right, so we got all of our stuff in here, except for the chicken and the noodles, and I still gotta make the dressing. So I got this balsamic vinegar, because it was all out, and then I got this light tasting olive oil. It's extra virgin olive oil, just because I find the regular one that I use is just a little too strong tasting for this one, for like salads and stuff like that. Let's see if the noodles are done. They need a few more minutes. They're not quite ready yet. That's okay, we'll make the dressing while we wait. So I'm gonna get a measuring cup. We're gonna do equal parts balsamic vinegar and olive oil. I'm also gonna add a pinch of oregano. All right, the noodles are done, so I just gotta strain them. The nice thing is this pot has holes in the edge of the lid, so I don't even have to use a strainer. Rinse them in some cold water and strain them again, just because I don't want them to be hot when I put them in with the vegetables and the cheese. Okay, now the noodles have cooled down and are fully cooked, we're gonna add them to the bowl, and we'll add the dressing. Okay, and I have a leftover chicken breast. So I'm gonna chop up some of this chicken, and I'm not even gonna heat it up because I like everything to be cold in the pasta salad, obviously. And then we'll add it to the dish. Okay, now all that's left to do is to mix everything together. You can also add some black olives if you want. I just forgot to buy some. But black olives would go really well in here, or Kalamata olives would be even better. I'm gonna get a glass of wine, because that will pair nicely with this. White wine. Cheers. And there you have it, a protein and fiber-rich dish that's refreshing for the spring and loaded with vitamin C. Doesn't it look good? It's so good. And that lighter version of olive oil works so nicely. I've never tried it before. I just knew that I wanted something that tasted lighter than the extra virgin that I typically use, and that stuff was perfect. I highly recommend it. If you guys try this recipe, I want you guys to let me know in the comments. Well, that pretty much sums up my video for the day. I'm gonna go chill with my dogs and start editing. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that bell so you know when my next video is. And I will see you next time.